I think a lot of us like the idea of a transformer laptop, and Lenovo is bringing that to life here at CES 2024 with the ThinkBook 13x, which will be available in Q1 starting at $1399. And what makes this different is the Magic Bay accessories. So they're going to start with the Magic Bay Studio. So what you get here is a 4K camera that attaches magnetically to the back of the laptop. And not only do you get a much more high-powered camera, you also get a studio quality mic and 2 additional speakers. So if you're doing a lot of video calls, you're definitely going to like this accessory. It's not cheap at $199, but Lenovo is opening a whole world of possibilities with some of the concepts that they're showing off here. That includes a fan that you can use to attach to the top, an ambient light, an additional SSD, storage, a card reader, and even a mirror with a built-in light. So the possibilities are endless in terms of what the Magic Bay could do, but we'll have to see how well they work once they come to market. So how is this thing as a laptop? You're getting up to Core Ultra 9 processors, 32 gigs of RAM, and up to 2 terabytes of storage. The ports are a little bit on the skimpy side. You can see here you have a couple of Thunderbolt ports and another one on this side, and a headphone jack. But that's to be expected given that this whole thing weighs just 2.2 pounds. And that's my only concern, is that with the 74 watt-hour battery, how long is this thing gonna last on a charge? But again, we're gonna have to get it in for testing to find out. This is Mark Spooner with Tom's Guide, and make sure to follow us at Tom's Guide on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more.